So I'm Tamar and I'm part of the holistic team here in Holina. I feel like the combination of nature and all the treatments that are offered here. Western people, we disconnected from nature and we forgot who we are. So coming back to ourselves is also coming back to the connection to nature. So having all the beautiful green and the river and all the birds and everything just surrounding us is just reminding us who we are, who we truly are, the essence of our souls. And of course, all the treatments we offer here, they're just so profound and so professional. And it's like a whole wrap for a beautiful, gentle soul arriving here. I do lots of feminine work. I work with womb healing methods. I've been basically traveling the world for the past 12 years, so I've studied different types of healing treatments. I'm also a musician, so I offer sound healing sessions here. I come from the world of NLP, so we really go through the process of understanding how to work with our brains and subconscious in order to become better to ourselves.
A premier destination for resolving chronic pain and trauma and full-body rejuvenation. Nestled in the serene surroundings, our center offers a peaceful sanctuary for individuals seeking deep transformation through evidence-based treatment and soul-centered care. Our exclusive wellness programs are personalized to your needs and designed to cleanse, repair, and restore from the inside out. Whether you're healing from chronic pain, stress, trauma, burnout, or physical imbalance, our multidisciplinary team of doctors, therapists, neuropaths, and staff are here to support every step of your journey. We believe that true wellness is not just about escape, it's about empowerment and integration. Visit us today at holinahealing.com to start your wellness journey with us today. Or like our Facebook or Instagram page. Holina Healing Center. Back to yourself.